Hello again and welcome on board the International Space Station. I'm European Space Agency astronaut Luca Parmitano, and what a week to be the commander of the International Space Station. My two amazing colleagues, Christina and Jessica, made history by performing a contingency EVA with an all-female crew for the first time. Just a few days, my colleagues and I received instructions from the ground on how to perform an unplanned EVA. Drew was the main IV, I was the assistant. Jessica and Christina were the EVs going outside, and then I was the operator number one for the robotic arm. A new experience for me as well, where I was moving Christina on the arm from one part of the space station to another. A very delicate role for all of us, so we are very, very happy and satisfied that everything went well. The space station is back in a good configuration, and we are ready to keep going for mission beyond Expedition 61, the great science, technology and exploration that awaits us. From the International Space Station, this is everything. I'm Luca Parmitano, your space correspondent.